Welcome back to Mathics. This is again another competition problem, and you are required to find the value of this expression. And even if you know all the logarithm rules, still it's a little challenging. So give it a try and we'll do it together. Now, before we start, let me ask you this. Do you think the log of 5, okay, cubed, is it equal to log of 5 if I write it like this? Do you think they are equal or not? To check, you see, we're gonna need this log rule, okay? Log AB, okay, this is the basic rule, right? Is equal to log A plus log B, okay? So remember, if it was A over B, it would be log A minus log B. Okay, so now let's go and apply this. So I'm gonna write it here. This one, I'm gonna write it as log 5 times 5 times 5, okay? Which would be, by the same rule, log 5 plus log 5 plus log 5, okay? And as you see, we're going to have 3 of this, so it's going to be 3 logarithm of 5. So in other words, for this one, this 3 can jump down all the way here, but we're not allowed to do the same thing here because it's asking us to find log 5 first and then cube it. So that's what makes this question, well, extra tricky. But if you pay attention, okay, we could write log 5 as, okay, log 10 over 2, okay? So, and we could write this one as log 10 minus log 2, okay? Because the bases are 10, log, this would be 1. So this one would be 1 minus log 2 cubed. Okay, so let me go and write it. 1 minus log, the log of 2. This one will be cubed. Okay, let's go and do the same trick for this one. This one, log 20, we could write it as log 2 times 10. So it will be log 2 plus log 10. And the log of 10 is equal to 1. So we're going to write it here as 1 plus log of 2 cubed. Okay, so we do the same thing here. This will be plus, okay, this will be 3 log 2, this one, okay? And the last one here, let me just write it this one will be log of 1 over 4, which would be log 1 minus log 4, okay? So log 1 is, of course, 0, so it's going to be negative log 4. And remember, we could also write it as negative 2 log of 2. So I'm going to write it here. Okay, so this will be multiplied by negative 2 log of 2. So as you see, we simplified everything. And the only thing that we have here is just the log of 2. So to make it easier, so let's just go and write it here. So I'm going to go, let's assume the log of 2 is equal to x. Okay. So what we're really going to have is going to be like this. It's going to be 1 minus x cubed plus 1 plus x cubed. Okay, plus, okay, 3x multiplied by negative 2x. Okay, so all we have to do is just simplify this, okay? So the first one will be 1 cubed minus x cubed plus 3x squared, okay, minus 3x. Okay, this one, if we expand this one again, 1 plus x cubed, okay, plus again 3x squared plus 3x, okay, and now these two together, they will be plus, actually like minus is going to be negative 6 squared. So now let's go and cancel. This one will be canceled by this one, okay. This one will be canceled by this one. So we're going to get this one. 1 plus 1 is 2 plus these together, 6 squared minus 6 squared. So as you see, these two will cancel. So what remains here is just 2, which is going to be the final answer to the question. So I hope you found this video useful. If you did, make sure you like the video.